What's up everybody, welcome back. I'm coming to you with a really quick 2-bun tutorial when it's time to wash your hair, but you just don't want to. I'm going to start off with a side part. You can also do a middle part. My forehead's a little too big for that, so we're just going to go ahead and go with the side part. You do want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled, especially the roots, if you want this to lay flat. I'm going to start off with just spraying it with a little bit of water. Then I go in with my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner just to make sure I give it some moisture underneath the gel. I also always put my hair in a little loose ponytail just to kind of give it a little bit more structure. I'm gonna lay on top some shea butter just to make sure that I do get a nice smooth look that stays. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my edge brush and go ahead and pull out the edges that I do want to do after the ponytail. Take my edge booster. This is the strongest gel I have come across, but it is also the most dry gel that I've ever come across. Hence why I did have to add the leave-in conditioner and then the shea butter to seal it, just to go ahead and protect my hair. Now you want to go ahead and secure the ponytail. Once the ponytail is as tight as you would like it, you're going to go ahead and split it into two, maybe even more pieces depending on how small you want your buns. Mine is okay with two, so I'm going to go ahead and just braid both of those all the way to the tips. Once your braids are secure, you want to go ahead and wrap them around as many times as necessary just to get a small bun, and secure it with the bobby pin. And then of course you want to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take a little bit more edge booster just to kind of make sure that all my edges are as slick as possible. I also add a little bit of extra gel around the perimeter for my flyaways, and you want to go ahead and just brush that into place. Now this part of course is completely optional. You pretty much want to do your edges for whatever is comfortable for you. So I went ahead and just pretty much did the same thing I do with my edges every time. And you want to lay it down and let it dry with a hair scarf. So I let my hair dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add on my extensions. I use your basic regular Marley hair, break it into two, and I am going to go ahead and slow down the clip of me attaching the hair tie. Pretty much you just want to put the Marley hair in between the loop and you pull it tight so that it's only attached one time around. So I attach it to the ponytail and then separate that Marley hair into two and begin a 2-strand twist. I do leave these twists slightly loose. The tighter that you twist it, pretty much the smaller that your buns will be. And then of course do the exact same thing on the other side. So now I have two 2-strand twists on both ponytails. This part's pretty self-explanatory. You pretty much just want to loop the twist around to your desired bun shape. I like mine a little bit more tall than I do fat, really just depending on the look that I'm going for. But since I am going to be throwing accessories on these, I did kind of try to make the ponytails a little bit more tall than I did round. Now you could totally stop here. I mean, this is a really cute hairstyle, but of course I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more flair. I'm gonna use this gold string that I got from the beauty supply, pretty much out of it, but I got just enough to really make this happen. Now the easiest way I've found to do this is to attach it to a bobby pin. So I'm just gonna tie it to the end of the bobby pin and then start to wrap the gold string around. And of course you want to use another bobby pin to secure the other end. And then just do the exact same thing on the other side. And there you have it, a simple 2-bun tutorial. Enjoy!